You are going to be so happy with this. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It actually works, and it is super crazy, guys. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get Rick and Morty Another Way Home for iOS and Android. So let's get into the video. So this is super cool. So as you can see, guys, we got the game right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's easy. It's not for people that are dumb, though. It's for people that got brains. So go to Zoom Mods and then find Rick and Morty. Press on it. So before it downloads, there's one more step, guys. Verification. So what is verification? It's a file download security process to make sure you're not a bot. And all you got to do, guys, is download 2 apps, follow instructions. It's 100% free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it is loading up right now. So we're just gonna let it download. So as you can see, at the end, it says missing files. So what we have to do is download the missing files, which are apps. So like Evertail, it says like down and run for 30 seconds, you know, Family Island, you reach level 10 or whatever. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. There's many of them to choose from. And then you'll have Rick and Morty Another Way Home. How insane is that, guys? Rick and Morty Another Way Home. iOS, Android, free. It's free. How can you go wrong? Because a lot of people are going to be like, oh, well, I don't have a PC. And guess what? You don't need a PC. So a lot of people are going to think that. And some people even think that they need a PC not to play the game, but to download it. And that's also not true. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out. This is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So if you guys do want to get the game, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this tutorial did work for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, subscribe to my channel and peace out, gang.